Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very quick and simple yet beautiful style. I'm just doing my hair in 2 cornrows. Now we gotta speed through it because it might take me a few seconds. Pre-washed, oiled, blow dried, and I had it in 2 cornrows, so that's why it's looking nappy. Let's go. Alright, so I was outside doing my hair, so I had to cut out the audio because some of the things going on out there wasn't safe. Anyways, like I mentioned earlier, I'm doing two huge feeding braids. Are they feeding? They are feeding. 2 huge feeding braids. I do not like doing huge cornrows. I don't like it. And to say the least, I'm pretty proud of myself for doing it in one go. I didn't have to do it over again because normally I would. That's why I hate it, because I can never get it right in one try, but I did. This cornrow that I'm doing right here, I realized after I did it that crap, I should have did that last, or right before I did the big braid that this tiny one is going to feed into. Anyways, why cry over spilt milk? But like I said, I'm pretty proud of myself for this hairstyle. It was very hard. It took me like an hour. It's just 2 cornrows. It took me an hour because I had to be intentional with how the cornrows were looking. Make sure they were tight. I had to make sure my parts were clean. I don't play about that as much as I can see, because sometimes I don't even realize, but I try my best to make it as clean as possible. So I did these little plaits in the back. They're super cute. It was after I was done with the first row that I realized that I should have just did one row and did one to the left, one to the right, one to the left, one to the right. But again, why cry over spilt milk? It looks beautiful, and you'll see that in the end. Yeah, had to speed it up because my hands were so tired, but I got through it. It was a lot of work in 1 hour. My hands were super tired. I like these diamond parts. They're beautiful to me. I love them. So the reason I had to do my hair was because I had physical therapy at Corner Regional Hospital the following day, so I had to do a simple hairstyle because I know I had to wash my hair at the weekend. So the Saturday I had to wash my hair. I'm putting edge control because I know how fuzzy my hair gets. I'm just growing back my hair. If you hadn't noticed, I cut my hair. My hair wasn't always this short. I cut my hair, so I'm just growing it back out. So I don't normally use edge control. I hate it. I'm sorry, but I don't like it. I don't like any chemicals at all in my hair. If I don't have to use it, I won't use it. But to get this style right, I had to use quite a few. So I had to use the edge control to hold my fuzz together because I have a lot of fuzz. My hair frizz so easily. And then I added the braid that I'm using to make the extensions. I'm adding them in small because again, I didn't want my cornrow to be huge. I do not like big cornrows, and these are tiny for some people and still too big for me. I don't like doing cornrows big. So yeah, I had to be real careful how to make sure that the cornrow was clean and neat. So it took me a while, so I had to speed up the video. Again, it turned out beautifully. Very proud of it. I won't stop saying that. You'll understand if you know me well enough to know how much I hate huge cornrows. But yeah, feeding in those plaits in the cornrow. I know you can't see, but the part of my hair where the plaits are going over to feed. How am I supposed to say this? Between that cornrow and those plaits, that part of my hair, it started to like raise up a bit, and I hated the way it looked. But in the end, it went down, so that was good because I wasn't going to do it over. If I had to take it back out, I promise you. And then I was too close to the camera, so I had to get up and step away so you could see the real length of the cornrows, of the extension, the plaits, the ponytail. Why am I so confused? But you get the picture. So yeah, here I am finalizing that part, and then I didn't plait it all the way out to the end because I wanted that curl. So I had to tie it, and I'm gonna show you how I do the knot at the end to keep it from unraveling. I hope that's clear enough. I hope. If not, I do it again. I popped the hair, of course, too strong, so I had to do it again. I did it also on the other ponytail. Yeah, tight, nice. So it doesn't unravel because I want to curl that part. Okay, and see the length. My God, I love it. So here I am doing the other braid again with the edge control that I hate so much. And normally, I don't know, but I don't like it. It leaves my hair either white. Maybe I'm not using the right one. Guys, if you know the right edge control that I should use, please recommend it. Let me know. Feeding in the other braids. See what that, get a glimpse of what the back looks like. I love it. Oh my God, look at those hands work. Finishing up this ponytail. Yep, speed through it because it took me a minute. And here I am putting a knot again. I made sure to use the hair a bit thicker this time so it didn't break so easily like the last time. Yep, second knot. Make sure that it's secure. Yep. It wasn't until I was done that I realized one side, the left side, was a bit thicker than the right side. My left side on the camera looks to you guys as my right side, but no, that's my left side. I wear my beads on my left hand, but I was using the front camera, so it flipped. Here I am putting in my rods to get my little curly curls. Rod number 1 down onto rod number 2. Hope y'all aren't OCD and mind that I use 2 different colors. It didn't matter to me. I'll be taking them out the next morning. Alright, so I did like a little, I added hold spray because I know my hair, I know how fuzzy my hair can get. I added mousse. I added a lot of mousse so I could keep it neat because I know how fuzzy my hair gets. So I added a lot of mousse to the ends as well, although the hot water did its magic on the ponytails, but I still added the mousse. I did minimal edges because I do not wear volants. Kudos to y'all who do. I have nothing against you. I just don't like it. I don't wear it for myself. That's personal. If you want to do it, that's on you. That's fine. I have no qualms against it. So I did mine very minimal. Didn't touch it too much because, yeah, volants is for curtains. So I did minimal edges and left it at that. Simple. Then I added some got to be hold spray. It burned. I don't know why it burned me. And then I added some oil sheen spray. So I was trying, in all honesty, I was trying to get rid of that white flaky look that I know the edge control was going to give me. So I added all those things to get rid of it. And here is the finished look. And I was staring in the camera because I was like, I can't believe I did this. Every time I do something like this to my hair, I get surprised. Even though I know I can do it, I still surprise myself. Look at the back. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Y'all ain't gotta pat me on my shoulder. I tap my own shoulder. I thank God every day for my talents. This gift is amazing. I love it. And I said bye, but then I was still feeling myself, so I had to look again. Ooh. Anyways, bless y'all. I love y'all. Keep being amazing. Remember, Jesus loves you. There's nothing you can do about it, so you might as well embrace it. Have an amazing day. Bye, y'all. Thank you for watching.